Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into how to implement a project governance framework in Zoho Project. A useful tool for 2025 and beyond, this guide will help you manage your projects more effectively. The first step is to create your project in Zoho. Click on the New Project button and fill in the necessary details. You'll include the project's name, description, and start date. This helps us because it lays the groundwork for our project and gives us something tangible to start working with. Next up, we'll define our project's governance structure. Go to the Settings tab, then select Roles and Permissions. This is where you can assign roles to team members and set their permissions. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone understands their responsibilities and what they can do within the project. Now that we've done that, let's establish our project's milestones. Go to the Milestones tab and add key project deliverables with their respective due dates. This is crucial because milestones provide a roadmap for the project, helping us to track progress and stay focused on our goals. Our next step is to set up the project's workflow. Go to the Tasks tab and select Workflow. Here, you can create a series of stages that your project will move through, from initiation to completion. This is important because a well-defined workflow ensures that everyone knows the process and what needs to happen next. Lastly, we need to implement regular project reviews. Go to the Reports tab and schedule weekly or monthly project status reports. This helps us because it allows us to monitor the project's progress, identify any issues early, and make necessary adjustments. So there you have it. You've implemented a project governance framework in Zoho Project. It may seem a little complicated at first, but with practice, you'll soon be managing your projects like a pro. Remember, a well-governed project is a successful project. Until next time, happy project managing.